Okay, and so we again have two chords here, so keep that in mind. A couple different things are happening here. We have a diameter or a radius that is perpendicular to this chord, which means from our past unit that it bisects it. So if this part is y, so is this part down here equal to y. The other thing that we have is we understand that this is a diameter, and from the center out is 5. So from the center to the other side also has to be 5. This little part is 2, so right here has to be 3, which means this whole part is 8. So again, be careful with this. The 5 represents the radius. So the other side has to be 5. This is a radius as well. This part was 2. This had to be 3, which would make this part of the segment 8. So when we do our math, we're going to say y times y, which we all know is y squared, will be equal to 2 times 8, which is part times part. So y squared is going to equal 16. Of course, to solve this quadratic, we take the square root, and we know it is plus or minus 4. Again, a negative 4 wouldn't make sense, so your only answer is 4. Okay, there you go. Another short and sweet.